Hello everyone, my name is Javi. Today I will gonna show you how to remove powered by Shopify. As here you can see powered by Shopify. First of all, we go to our Shopify dashboard, click on online store, then click on themes, then click on action button and click on edit language. Here simply type powered and then let it search. Here you will find the box checkout and system/links. Now is there something, so you just have to remove it, and nothing is there, then you just have to hit a space key and then save it. Congratulations, you are successful now. Then go to your online store and refresh the page. Congratulations, your store no longer have powered by Shopify now. So thank you guys. If you like this video helpful, so please hit the like button. Thank you again.